Hey, what's up guys? My name is Kelly and welcome back to Adventure Built. Today I am getting way outside of my comfort zone and my normal typical install video. I did something super interesting. I had a lot of fun doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did making it. Now please stick around to the end. I guarantee it will be worth your time. Now roll that video. Do you have a second or third gen Tacoma and absolutely dread climbing into the back of your truck? Are you at your wit's end not being able to level out your stove on your tailgate? How many times are you going to put that boiling hot pot on your tailgate before you realize it melts? How many beverages have fallen over because of the weird edges on your tailgate? Are you tired of butt pain just from sitting on your tailgate? Are you sick and tired of your tailgate? Get on your cellular phone and look up SnailArmor. With all aluminum construction, very reasonably priced, powder coated, and custom laser etching, you'll never have to worry about your tailgate again. Ordering is easy peasy. Shipping is super easy. And everything you need to install comes in the box. Not very handy? Well, that's okay. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Remove all the bolts off your obsolete tailgate cover. Step 2, go ahead and remove your old tailgate cover and replace with your brand new all aluminum construction with a very durable coating, laser etched SnailArmor tail cover. Step 3, replace all the bolts. And you're in business. Say goodbye to neoprene forever. No longer worry about that stove ever not being level. And you know what? You put that pot wherever the heck you want. And say hasta la vista to ever spilling a beverage again. And your buttocks will thank you too. Oh man, I really hope you guys enjoyed that. It was honestly, it was a complete blast, something totally different I have never even thought of doing before. It came to me, I thought I'd go for it. I really hope you guys like it. If you did, leave a comment. If you didn't, leave a comment, let me know what I can do better. I just want to take a second to thank SnailArmor for the opportunity to work together and to showcase their awesome tailgate cover. I will put a link in the description below that will have which one I got and their website, all the good stuff that you need to get one of these for yourself. Not to mention the awesome, just the idea of you can do custom etching in it. So the amazing Adventure Built logo, it's really cool and very durable, a really good price point. There isn't a single negative to getting this tailgate cover. And if you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up, hit subscribe. It really does help out Adventure Built to keep moving forward. Now for the moment you have all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. I know, man, this thing is so awesome. Literally, I put my bottle anywhere. Not even a chance for it to fall over. It's like it's a magnetic. No. It's made out of aluminum. Yeah. No, not aluminium. That's English. What? No. SnailArmor is offering 15% off to all of the fans of Adventure Built, just for you guys to save a little bit of cash on a product you really can't do without. Everything you need is linked below. I'll have the code and the website, so check out below in the description. That's where all the information is going to be, and I'll probably put the discount code right here too. That way I don't forget, because sometimes that happens. All right guys, that wraps up this video. I really hope you liked it. It was something totally new and off the cuff. It was super fun to make. Please let me know what you think. I know you will be brutally honest, never been an issue in the past, so why stop now? Message below, or hit me up on IG. It's adventurebuilt_. That's where all the cool pictures of all of our rigs are anyway, so you can go check those out there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.